Nagbitiw na si Miss Universe Côte d'Ivoire Olivia Yates bilang Miss Universe Africa and Oceania. Kinumpirma ito ng Miss Côte d'Ivoire Committee sa pamamagitan ng inilabas nilang official statement kagabi, ika-24 ng Nobyembre. Anila, personal reason ang dahilan kung bakit ibinalik ng beauty queen ang kanyang korona. Sa pamamagitan naman ng Instagram, sinabi ni Olivia na siya ay mananatiling tapat sa kanyang pagpapahalaga at mga prinsipyo, kaugnay sa kanyang desisyon na bitiwan ang nasabing pagkilala. Aniya, as the representative of Côte d'Ivoire at the Miss Universe 2025 competition in Bangkok, I witnessed firsthand that I was capable of accomplishing great things despite adversity. But to continue on this path, I must remain true to my values, respect, dignity, excellence, and equal opportunity, the strongest pillars that guide me. Dagdag pa niya, with a heart full of gratitude and profound respect, I hereby announce my resignation from the title of Miss Universe Africa and Oceania, as well as from any future affiliation with the Miss Universe Committee. Throughout my journey as an ambassador and beauty queen, I have served with commitment, resilience, discipline and determination. However, to fully reach my potential, I must remain firmly anchored in my values guiding principles that paved the way towards excellence. Ibinahagi rin ng beauty queen, na ang pinakahiling niya ay magsilbing role model para sa bagong henerasyon, lalo na sa mga batang babae, at yakapin ang kanilang pagkakakilanlan. Ani nito, as I started on stage, my greatest wish is to be a role model for the new generation, especially young girls. I encourage them to push their limits, to walk confidently in rooms where they believe they do not belong, and to proudly embrace their identity. It is this commitment to being a positive influence that guides my decision today. Stepping away from this diminished role of Miss Universe Africa and Oceania will allow me to dedicate myself fully to defending the values I hold dear. I call upon Black, African, Caribbean, American, and Afro-descendant communities, continue entering spaces where you are not expected. Let us open the way for the brothers and sisters who will follow us. Never let anyone define who we are or limit our potential. Our presence matters, and our voices must be heard. Nagpaabot rin siya ng pagbati niya kay Miss Universe 2025, Fatima Bosch, at ang pagmamalasakit para kay Miss Universe Jamaica Gabrielle Henry matapos itong maaksidente habang isinasagawa ang evening gown competition ng Miss Universe 2025, preliminaries. I am deeply grateful for the support I have received and for the unforgettable experiences that have shaped me. I will now continue my journey differently, with the same determination to uplift and inspire. Thank you to all those who have been part of this exceptional adventure. Let us continue to defend our values and strive for greatness together. It's time for Africa. With love and respect, Olivia Manuela Yates. Kinoronahang fourth runner-up si Olivia sa kinukwestyong resulta ng 74th Miss Universe na ginanap sa Nonthaburi, Thailand noong ika-21 ng Nobyembre. Matatanda ang nabalot ng kontrobersya ang Miss Universe 2025, dahil sa mga alegasyon ng pandaraya at marami ang nagkomento na ang dapat itinanghal na winner ay si Miss Universe Côte d'Ivoire Olivia Yates. Ayon sa ilang pageant fans, feeling nila na baligtad ang pagbasa ng resulta sa final competition. Kalat na kalat din ang balitang business partner di umano ng tatay ni Fatima ang presidente ng Miss Universe organization na si Raul Rocha, na mula rin sa Mexico.